In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Lucid Whiteboard by first enabling it in one of your Canvas courses, going into settings, up to navigation, and then finding Lucid Whiteboard within the list of tools that are not enabled in Canvas yet. I'll find it there, I'll do the three dots, enable it, and then go all the way back down to the bottom of the page and save. Now it's going to show up in our Canvas navigation, and when I first launch it, it's going to ask us if we want to sign up or log in. If you don't have a Lucid account, then you should log in. You should sign up. If you do, go ahead and log in. It knows your name because it is hooked up to Canvas and it receives your name and email that way. So go ahead and sign up. And then this has been approved by District Legal and IT. Go ahead and register. This is not something that the district is paying for. Rather, it's included in all Canvas courses now. It's free for your students and the instructors. So go ahead and continue. And then you're going to be brought to the launch page where you can open Lucid from here. Down below, you're going to find all sorts of awesome resources on using Lucid and using Lucid in Canvas. There's videos, guides, tutorials, and instructor hub where other higher education instructors using Lucid will post blogs about in different templates and examples, ways that they are using Lucid for engagement and collaboration in Canvas. You can even use Lucid as assignments, so it's endless. Of course, the standard way to use it is as a whiteboard, and we'll link to other resources on how to do that. As always, please reach out to us in the CTLA if you need any extra assistance.